Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to terminate an employee in Gusto. Now sometimes parting ways with an employee is necessary. When that time comes, Gusto helps you handle the termination process professionally and correctly, keeping your records clean and your compliance in check. Now here's how to do it. The first step is to go to the People tab. So from your Gusto dashboard, you want to click on the People tab to access your list of current employees. Step 2, just select the employee, click on the name of the employee you need to terminate, and this opens up their full employee profile. Now there you want to click Actions and select Terminate. Now in the top right corner of the employee's profile, click the Action button and then choose Terminate Employee from the drop down. Next, you want to enter the termination details. Now, Gusto will ask you for the following information. It's going to ask for termination dates, reasons for termination, as well as final pay preferences. Now, if the employee is in a state where final pay rules are strict, Gusto will prompt you with additional steps. The fifth step is to confirm and submit. Now, once all details are filled out, you want to click submit, and Gusto will remove the employee from future payroll runs, and they're also going to automatically issue their final pay if enabled. They're also going to archive their records while keeping them accessible for tax and compliance processes. Likewise, they're going to revoke their Gusto access. While saying goodbye isn't easy, Gusto makes the admin side of it stress-free. Once you've completed the termination, you can still generate tax forms and view their records at any time. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.